Imagine spending $137,000 per month on Facebook ads only to have your business fail. And not because of the ad spend, but because you weren't focused on the right product. This brand auditor took to Reddit to talk about one of his clients' biggest mistakes. The ecom brand's cost per acquisition was around $38 to $41, which is a little bit high as it is. But their biggest mistake? They failed to prioritize their best-selling product, putting equal budget into that one and another one that had a much lower customer lifetime value. So as much work, blood, sweat, and tears went into this beauty ecom brand, it failed. So it begs the question, how do you know in advance what products are really gonna blow up in a market as competitive as beauty? Now, we figured this out hundreds of times before, predicting that products were gonna blow up before they actually did. And so you can avoid the mistakes that ecom beauty owner made. Today, I'm gonna show you 4 trending beauty products that you can sell right now in 2025. And believe me when I tell you, these products are guaranteed to get sales. I'm also gonna show you how I find these trending beauty products that you can then sell on TikTok, Instagram, Amazon FBA to 10x your sales. And if this is the kind of content you've been looking for, don't forget to hit subscribe because I've got more of these coming every single week. Let's get into it. This centuries-old anti-aging ingredient is seeing 355% growth and $167,000 every single month in revenue by proving that sometimes the oldest solutions are the best. Meet Rice Eye Cream. This one incorporates fermented rice water, rice bran oil, and hydrolyzed rice protein. Ingredients rich in antioxidants, vitamins, amino acids. It's perfect for K-beauty lovers who want real results in their products without retinol, anybody with sensitive skin who needs something gentle for that under eye area, and any consumers who want natural, traditional ingredients in their skincare products, which by the way is a massively growing audience. Now with almost 170 grand per month coming in on Amazon from around 10,000 sales, this natural product positioning really works. And the reason you should sell this now is because it's got the legs to go the distance. I mean, the reviews speak for themselves. Overall, from the graph, we can see this one has steady, consistent growth, and it's definitely one that you should be looking at selling this year. Now, if you are gonna sell or market this one, let's talk about what exactly should go into your ads so they actually convert. Now, this brand consistently highlights black rice as a primary ingredient, with creators talking about how it gives you this natural radiance. TikTok creators are also going viral with their application tutorials, showing the unique texture of the rice cream, but also how it absorbs. The most successful videos show creators demonstrating this patting technique while explaining why rice-derived ingredients are best for the skin. Now, K-beauty educational content also dominates here. They're using key phrases, things like the glass skin effect and brightening power, these things that are resonating really heavily with the K-beauty audience. And if you're looking for a way to show that it can work for young people and older people, go for the parent-child dynamic. One TikTok video shows this mother-daughter duo using the product together, explaining how it feels, and really hitting both these demographics in one video. Now that you know how successful this product can be, who's buying it, how to market it, how much it costs, go make some sales. And for all e-commerce brands, beauty or otherwise, if one of your products is outperforming the others by quite a bit, shift your ad budget from those products to your winner. People don't realize that most e-commerce brands, regardless of what niche they're in, will make about 80% of their total sales from one product. Find your winner and go all in on that, and I guarantee you will see your profits increase. This next skincare breakthrough is changing the game, proving that you can transform your skin without damaging it. It's got $187,000 in monthly revenue and 444% search growth. Let's talk about peptide toners. Forget everything you know about old school toners, which for me was nothing. Peptide toners are formulated with these short chains of amino acids that serve as building blocks for collagen and elastin. Basically, it's a science-forward product that blends makeup and skincare. So who are you gonna sell this one to? Skincare enthusiasts who want a great look, anti-aging benefits without harsh retinol, people with compromised skin barriers who need more gentle care, and anybody who wants to layer active ingredients without the irritation. With over 10,000 monthly sales at around $23 per unit, we can see the price point, the positioning, everything about this product is working. Plus, a 4.6 star rating with almost 2,000 reviews shows you that people like this product. It's got the legs to go the distance because science backs it, it's giving people results, and that shows in the reviews. Also take note, this one's only getting 880 searches per month, which means that it's pretty new. So you've got time to enter this market and make a lot of money before it gets oversaturated and the big brands start outselling everybody. Now, if you're marketing this one, let's talk about what should be in your ads. Some of the winning ads are leveraging social proof, with ads featuring the founders of these companies talking about the benefits. But remember, the tried and true method is always going to be before and after videos. Merle Norman Cosmetics showcases their peptide enriched toner, which aligns with this gentle skin barrier focused trend. And their ad video really highlights why toners are so important, balancing the skin's pH level, hydrating, minimizing pores. They are hitting all of these keywords and phrases that people are already Googling, like how to minimize pores. So think about that. Think about what problems your customers are facing and what they're searching to try and solve those problems. In terms of your organic content, we analyzed a lot of TikTok videos and we found consistent phrases like, look at how it sinks into my skin, and this is not your average toner consistency. Things that require visual proof and things that are shocking. People are positioning these products as advanced, science-backed solutions rather than just basic toners. Routine integration tutorials also work really well. Successful videos really show where peptide toners fit into somebody's existing daily routine. And this is an effective strategy for any brand, any market. If you can work this product into somebody's daily routine, it's a lot easier for them to start buying it consistently, using it consistently, rather than forcing your customers to create a new habit. And as always, the before and after videos are going to be the winners. Now let's talk about a skincare mask that's quietly riding this 550% growth surge in the past 2 years alone as people find this brightening solution that's been around for ages. Let's talk about the Kojic acid mask. Kojic acid is a compound naturally derived from fungi and fermented foods like sake and rice wine. Basically, it blocks melanin production at the source. The result is a visible reduction in dark spots, in sunspots, melasma, acne scars, without the downtime or the price tag of professional treatments. So let's look closer at the numbers here to show you how big this opportunity really is. Over 17,000 units are sold every single month just on Amazon. And at an average unit cost of around $15, this is super accessible for a huge range of customers. The social proof is also solid, with 4.2 out of 5 stars from over 7,000 reviews, which means this one was received pretty well. Now, the search volume is still super low, which means that you have a lot of time to break into this market before the big brands completely take over. If you're ready to start marketing this one, let's talk about what you should put in your ad creative. Brands like July Summers and Koimora are effectively using before and after imagery to showcase significant reduction in dark spots and hyperpigmentation. The most compelling ads, again, show you the problem right away. A lot of them are applying this UGC or testimonial focused approach, which makes these videos feel authentic and relatable. Now, for your organic content, let's talk about what works there. TikTok videos that start with a clear depiction of a skin concern, like, oh, my stubborn dark spots, then transition to show the progressive improvement after using the mask. As far as your hooks go, make sure that they give people this sense of relief and curiosity. Things like, this mask literally saved my life, or finally, a mask that takes care of hyperpigmentation. Nothing sells better than showing visible results and having somebody communicate their honest experience about a product. It's gotta feel like advice from a friend instead of just a pushy ad. This next product is pulling in over 200 grand every single month on Amazon with over 200% search growth. Meet Hydrating Skin Tint. These are lightweight, skin hydrating makeup products that give you sheer to light coverage with this dewy finish. They're perfect for creating a minimalist makeup look that enhances your natural skin. And that's huge because this, as a trend, is massive. Almost 20,000 monthly sales really shows the heavy demand for this product. It's only around $18, which is a super accessible price point and perfect for a let's just test it out impulse buy. 4.3 stars, over 11,000 reviews. This one has clearly been well received, honestly reviewed, and it still comes out on top. Plus, that super low search volume and high search growth in a short period of time tells us that this one is blowing up right now, and it's the perfect time for you to enter the market. If you are entering that market, let's talk about what needs to go in your ads. Winning ads are leveraging celebrity content. People like Gracie Abrams are global brand partners showcasing that singer-songwriter glow with specific shades like Veil Hydrating Skin Tint, and that builds a lot of trust. Now, if you can't pay a celebrity or a big influencer to do these videos for you, you can find a video of them talking about the product independently, take that video and stitch it together with your own content to leverage their social proof without actually having to pay the big Hollywood prices. Just make sure that your messaging hits this glow, flawless skin look and talk about how it lasts all day long. On TikTok, beauty influencers are going viral with this one, talking about fungal acne safe options and building trust by addressing specific skin concerns directly. This educational discovery style content works really well. Consider making a video like, top 5 skin tints. The Get Ready With Me format is also really popular and works very well. Again, the key is showing, not telling. Now that's it for today. Please let me know what you think of this video. Go out, sell these products, make some money. And if you're interested, name any niche in the comments below and I will drop you a trending product totally free. Please subscribe to get more of these videos every single week, and I'll see you in the next one.